Hafize Erkan has taken over as the president of Turkey's central bank, making her the first woman to hold a prestigious post. Born in 1982, Erkan graduated from Turkey's Boğaziçi University before attending Ivy League schools in the United States. Erkan has a PhD in financial engineering from Princeton University. Later, she embarked on a career in the finance industry and became the youngest finance professor in the U.S. She spent almost a decade at one of the biggest banks in the U.S., Goldman Sachs, making significant contributions with her expertise in financial services. After Goldman Sachs, Erkan worked for nearly 8 years under different positions at First Republic Bank. Recognized for her achievements and leadership, Erkan has been featured on prestigious lists and in eminent publications. In 2019, she was featured on Crain's Top Woman in Banking and Finance list and the American Banker's Woman to Watch list. Erkan is also the visionary founder of the First Republic Fellowship Program, an initiative designed to guide young women from disadvantaged backgrounds through STEM education, mentorship, and professional development.